You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
I did have an injury from CrossFit lifting and tried physical therapy for both elbows. That was not successful, so I went in for cortisone injection and it worked for about 3 months. One elbow is back to painful.
How much pain from 0 to 10 at worst?
Probably 8.
8. What kind of motion?
Bending, gripping, lifting any kind of weight, really maybe about a 3 pound or more.
Okay, you had cortisone shots. Everything should not aggravate your symptoms. Let's do the motion with the weight, and you tell me how much it feels now. Okay.
So it sort of hurts here. To lift this way,
Okay.
I would say that's
6 out of 10. And you feel it. Any other motion?
this motion and
The gripping itself, how much?
about the same.
All right. Let me see your range of motion. Bend all the way. Any issue with that? Both of them. Okay. Just straight your elbow. A little tight, not too bad. Twist in and out. Let me work on that. This has been going on for 3 months.
March.
In March, it subsided, and then
After about 3 months.
after the injections. I'm gonna use this pill. You feel it localized here?
Mostly here, but I feel it across my forearm. Yeah, when I'm gripping.
So painful here? You feel it? Yeah. Can you explain what treatment you had in PT?
I had some ultrasound.
They use scar tissue. How did you feel after that?
Very painful. Very sore for days.
After the treatment, we're gonna break the scar tissue compared to what you had before.
Okay.
The metal tool. This is not metal. Is that too much?
No.
Feel the scar tissue there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's scar tissue.
Okay.
Nice and smooth like this. You have a scar tissue here. You're gonna feel it more with the instrument. It's easy to feel it more with the instrument. Is that too much? You're right-handed,
Yes.
so you feel pain with typing or writing?
Not too much with that. It's mostly lifting
Left.
and bending.
You're gonna feel cold, okay? You feel this bump here. That's a scar tissue. Is that painful? It's okay. Yeah, scar tissue. Did you injure your shoulder?
No.
Biceps? And you see the scar tissue. There's redness. You feel the bump.
Yes.
It should feel like this. Can you tell the difference?
Yes.
Did you feel scar tissue with the other instrument?
I didn't look for it. He didn't point it
Yeah,
out to me.
I made this design to detect the scar tissue. You feel this? Is that painful? It's okay.
Okay.
Make sure it's pain-free, okay? Not aggravating symptoms. So there's fine line actually between breaking the scar tissue and causing scar tissue.
Okay.
If you get any treatment and you feel pain while they're using this tool, they actually cause more scar tissue, more trauma to the
That may have
tissue.
happened.
And that's actually, it's actually contradictory with the treatment. You try to break a scar tissue and you're causing more scar tissue,
Right.
you're gonna start that healing cycle and inflammation. I don't want you to feel pain. Make sure it's not causing trauma, just breaking scar tissue. Make sure it's not painful. After working on it for a few minutes, let's move your elbow and tell me how that feel.
Feels much better, a little looser. Still tension here, but much better. Probably went from an 8 to a 3.
Can you tell a difference between the treatment you had before and after treatment?
Yes, this feels, obviously it feels like you worked on it, but the metal...
It was painful?
Yes, it was painful. Painful for a few days.
After the treatment, did you feel pain with the treatment today?
No.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.